welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to review one of the product that I wanted to buy and try for so very long. So I've gotten quite a few products by the Forest Essential, and I have used them for quite a good time now so that I can start reviewing them. And the first product that I'm reviewing is the hair mask that I got, and that is their intensive hair repair mask. Which is I think it says Japa, Patti and Brahmi. So this is how the box looks like. Says intensive hair repair mask, and I love the packaging and the cardboard and the box. Everything is very luxurious. So let me just open it and show it to you guys. I love the design that they have made here. So awesome. And so when we open, it's like this, and now you can see, you know, the quality of the jar itself is very good, and says Forest Essentials here, and the same design is made here. So different design than, you know, any other product. All their products are so different. So this is how it is, intensive hair repair mask, and all the information is here. And when you open this piece of luxury, the fragrance is amazing, and that's how it looks. So good, you know, the texture is so good that it's not going to fall. And if I had any means to, you know, let you guys feel the or smell the fragrance of it, I would have done it, because this is so awesome. When you open it, you know right away that they have used the best ingredients. This is something else. It's so sweet kind of smell. It is, you know, you can see how it is. It's quite thick of a, you know, hair mask, and I'm very fan of using hair masks and things like that, because I'm not much into makeup, so I want to have the real, you know, beautiful skin and beautiful hair. So I try to maintain all that with all these masks and all. And the way you have to use it is that apply the hair mask on dry hair along its length and leave on for a minimum of 30 minutes. You have to leave this, and a whole fresh egg can be whisked and added for extra nourishment. Shampoo and condition as usual, use once a week. And these are all products which are you know, sulfate and paraben free. So I have always used this mask with the egg, because I'm already a fan of using egg on my hair, on my face, and the consistency of this mask is awesome. Like, it won't, you know, fall or come on your clothes or anything like that. You can see the consistency is so good, like it's not going anywhere. The result I have gotten is really the result that I was expecting from the Forest Essential product. So I have used this mask yesterday, and let me just tell you, it makes your hair so very you know, so soft and so good that you want to touch your hair. And I just loved it. Like this, that softness that I am getting from this mask, I have never gotten from anything else, even though I use a lot of hair masks and everything. But they make your hair little bit to the drier side. But this mask will really give you that nourishment, that softness that you're looking for, especially in the winter. But I would love to use it whole year, but especially in the winter, you know, what we look for is you know, the softness, and the moisture should be there in the hair, the hydration that we look for, and this will give you all that in your hair. And the, you know, the fragrance itself is very good, but because I have always used it with egg, so I don't know, you know, egg will always add that smell to your hair. Till now I've used this mask for 3 times, I believe, and I truly loved my hair, because I use a lot of henna too, so it makes my hair dry. So when I use this mask, I'm like so happy about my hair that they have gotten that, you know, the perfect hair. You will get the perfect hair. That's the word for this mask, that you will feel that this is how your hair are supposed to be. That soft, and you know, the gloss, the shine, everything you'll get. And I just cannot say enough for this hair mask, because I have become really truly a fan of this hair mask, because this is the you know, the result that I was looking for in hair mask. I have never gotten for anything else. You know, if you have frizzy hair, if you have rough hair, so this will work on all those things. My hair are not rough, but I just need a little bit of more hydration in my hair just to get the perfect hair, perfect texture for my hair. So all of these things, if I review this mask, everything is just perfect. This was all my review about this which is called Intensive Hair Repair Mask by Forest Essentials. And if you guys are looking for any hair mask, you guys should try this. If you don't have that hitch about the pricing, that's the only thing which is very on higher side with Forest Essential, all the products if you see. But if you are not worried that much about that, then you can go for this hair mask for sure. This will give you amazing results. So that's all for the review of this amazing hair mask by Forest Essential. Thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.